All right, so I got my setup right here in Maya. Um, this is the last project. I'm gonna go ahead. Got my two lights right here down bottom. Um, I got this light over here up top, and inside I got this light in here. One on the window. Oh, one on the window, and then an area light right here. I believe yeah, this one I changed the color. This is the blue one, yeah, light blue, and this is my darker blue to give like a gradient effect to my lights. So yeah, this is the setup that I have. Um, and this is where I started. So that was my first environment render. Um, and this is my second one. I was thinking about going to with like warmer colors. I was thinking about doing orange. Uh, but all of a sudden I just changed. I chose my palette later on, and this was my third one. I kind of just went with warmer. I mean, cooler colors as you can see. Like this is the gradient that I was talking about. I got my blue light that's on the floor, and then I got my other light. Um, the purple one to give this nice color variation. Same here. I want to do like a almost like a gradient right here with cool colors. Um, and I use the same color as this right here to accent all this, and another blue light um over here. Um, and this is my last one right here. Like I said, I was going with cooler colors. Um, and this was this was something that inspired me with the Clone Wars. I don't know if you ever seen this show. It's very good. It's a Star Wars show. Um, yeah, it just reminded me of like when these witches in Star Wars would do like mystical magic and yeah, I really liked how those colors look together. You can see like the bluish, almost teal color, and then the green. So yeah, that was like sort of inspiration, and this is my color palette right here. Um, as you can see. I really like how it came out at the very end. Um, I saw the recording that you had, and you actually picked a green candle, which was like funny because I was like, oh, I'm gonna make those green candles, but I guess it's too common, you know. And I decided to use the like a green stone for the bases. I really like how they came out, and I also like how you can see the reflection of the candles, the green candles that I choose. Um, yeah. Uh, Also, I found I finally did the corrections that you asked. And the reason why I wasn't doing anything is because I had the color all the way down. So yeah, I can see the difference. When you were like, oh, your colors look too flat, you know, your everything looks too flat. Like it really changes from this to this, and I can see like the light bouncing all over the place. Yeah, I definitely like this better, and I do feel like it gives like a more realistic like the wall, the lights, everything. Just look at the wall, the way it changes everything. I really like how it came out. And yeah, for this month, I feel like um everything I learned a lot. I got more comfortable with Maya. It's a lot easier to find, link, and connect files and textures. The normal maps that was great because basically right here the wall doesn't really have those those bumps or anything. Um, it's just the normal map. The challenges that I face with this project is sometimes I'll take it would take me time to move and play around with the sliders, to see the effects that are being created. Yeah, that was a little challenging because sometimes I wouldn't notice right away what was going on. But yeah, for future projects, the ability to make my own textures in Photoshop with stencils and guides, that was a pretty good thing that I learned to apply in the future classes, because that way, if I do have a personal project, I at least create my personal textures for my projects. And yeah, that was very great. Um, I really like how it came out. I really like how it almost looks like kind of mystical, like if a witch lives in here, you know. But yeah, and also commenting back to the color grading that I wanted, um, I got it right here too, which I saw, and that's what I was trying to get. Um, Definitely pleased with this result that I got, and just thank you for everything.